The gym is packed. I like to come in this room and do little exercises, and this exercise can be done at home as well. So we're gonna go straight into this mini tutorial. First, you just need a kettlebell or a dumbbell. If you don't have either, you can improvise. I say this in literally every video, you can improvise. But when you lift weights, you see faster results. So we're gonna work out upper body today, and then at the end, we're gonna do a little bonus because why not? Now, the first thing I'm gonna do is work on the back of the arms. Now, I know I don't know any of the workout names. I know this, but just follow me. Just follow me. We did 3 sets of 12. Of course, I didn't film everything, but it's 3 sets of 12. And now we're going to do some more arm workouts. When I mean your arm's going to be on fire after you're done with these workouts, they're going to be on fire. And that's a good sign. When you're doing this exercise, you want to make sure you're leaning forward and make sure that everything that you're doing is slowly. I say this every time. You have to move slowly. Now we're going to grab some dumbbells and then we're going to do some mountain raises. That's what I think the name should be. I don't know if that's the right name. We do one arm at a time. I used to do both at the same time, and I saw someone on TikTok say that it's better to do it one at a time. So we're going to do it one at a time. Mountain climbers, I don't know. See, I'm just making it up as I go. And like I said, we're doing 3 sets of 15. I'm moving kind of fast. We need to move a little bit slowly, but it's okay. It's okay. Once my arms start burning, I just want to get to the next workout. And we're going to do some curl ups. Now, this is one of my favorite exercises to do, lay down on this bench. Like I say, you can always improvise. If you do not have a bench, you can do this on the ground with a mat or a towel. Now, you want to make sure you have an arch in your back. I know it looks funny, but you're isolating the muscle. See, I do pay attention. I pay attention. So we're doing some bench raises. I think that's the appropriate name for it. And this is a struggle. I'm only lifting about 10 pounds, I believe. And this is a struggle for me. But I was saying to build my upper body strength. Now we're going to drop the weights. And then we're going to do some crunches. Well, some raises. Like I said, I don't know what these called. But we're going to do some ab workouts. And that is it on workouts you can do at home. This is a little bonus clip, which is just squats with weights. That's it for my mini tutorial. Make sure you subscribe. You will always be entertained on my channel.